Hello everyone, this is Bronze. I got my friend here. Today we're going to be playing Animal Company, which is pretty much Lethal Company, but it's Gorilla Tag. So, yeah. I guess let's just get right into it. I'm doing your mom!
I'm right.
Oh,
Okay.
alright, I already have enough stuff in my backpack. Someone's gonna have to fit the gold bar and the golden egg in their backpack.
I'll get the gold bar because they're
Here,
more
wait,
than the gold bar.
wait, don't, wait. Here, place your backpacks here so when you die, it doesn't, fall into the void. Here, wait, this one's mine. This one over here is mine. Okay, who's distracting it?
You already have enough money.
Okay.
He sounds like the dude from Philly.
You really led him to me.
Next is I thought you were being distracted. Oh, I'm so close to being dead! Oh my... You're alive! I'm alive!
Hey, yo!
I'm like 1 HP! Damn.
Is that the banana?
You get that? I'm gonna try and get the... You get the...
Yeah, should we like come up with code names for each other? Yeah, should we come up with like code names for each other?
That's just, you need it. I'm gonna clutch. Where's bro? What is he doing?
I got the egg!
I got scared.
I got the egg! Oh my god! Okay, now we just need the gold bars. We just need the gold bars.
I got the gold bar.
You gotta shake my...
Here.
Hi guys, I may have an issue.
Bronze, where'd you go? I hate. Here, I'm gonna go sell my things. I'm gonna go sell my things now. I like have basically a full backpack. I didn't put it in the backpack yet, so just wait. When does gold slow you down? I'm in the forest alone, I don't...
Yo! Wait, how much money? Wait, did you get $300? Did you get $300 too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we got $13 for banana.
Yay!
Not fast.
Banana? I showed banana.
No.
Banana.
Damn.
Alright, let's just wait here next to us, so that we can go in as like a big group.
Alright.
Maybe we'll go into the traffic light monster, see what's past it.
Oh my god! Wait, can you show your watch? I wanna see if you can...
Me on our watch.
Oh, you can! That's how much I have.
That's a lot.
He's a rich monkey.
Alright, let's wait for Biz real quick.
So apparently I
I'm
missed...
on my way to the fort.
Oh wait, there's more stuff.
Why is there a block that's making weird noise? Hello? I'm still here, yeah, that's just the generator of the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait, do you guys know how to, like, run that one monster that we all died on?
Yeah, it's red light, green light.
Yeah, it's red like green light.
Oh.
So whenever the light turns,
It just chases you until...
yeah, whenever the light turns red, you stop. Whenever the light turns green, you go. It ticks. There's like a
Oh, and if you
ticking.
move
It's like a
while it's
ticking time
red,
clock,
it
pretty much.
shows all those weapons and tries to kill you.
Yep.
Red.
Oh my god!
Ruined.
Here, wait, let's go see if the egg respawned. Okay, there's another gold bar. There's
Another gold bar. He's running around though. You want me to distract him?
Yeah, Biz. Yeah, Biz, go and distract him. Oh, never mind.
Stuck. He's stuck.
Damn it! Come on!
Can I run?
I'm lucky I closed my backpack.
Okay, wait, did you guys get the gold bar? Did you guys get the gold bar?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, let's go. Here, let's go sell
Those
it.
things.
Lethal Company.
Where's the-
Lethal Company.
Where's the
Roll
stone
tag.
monster
You
you
go
were talking
insane.
about?
In there and where the red light green is.
Once we sell, we'll go.
Okay.
Once we sell, we'll go to it.
Alright, Bronze, you sell these things first.
I stepped on a mine and it didn't explode.
Oh dang.
So if we put two things in there at once, do they both sell at the same time?
Alright, ready?
Alright. We made some
Damn.
profit from that.
Here, wait, let me sell my things.
380.
Okay.
We had some profit there.
Can I be in there when you sell?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
it gives you money.
I'm gonna toss this flashlight
What?
in here.
Ah,
Oh,
Well, I'm gonna toss. Hey, look at him.
only
Yeah, if someone goes in there. Yeah, if someone. Oh,
can I?
alright. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, I wanna try.
Wait, how much money does it for like a different? Nothing?
Oh, he died.
Sure, wait, let's try it again.
yo. I died immediately.
Here, wait, let's try it. Okay, did it give us it? No, it didn't! Someone said you'll get 1,000 coins if you put yourself on it. Flashlight.
Should we leave our backpacks behind?
We probably should, that's a really good idea.
I'm
mine's
gonna
on
put mine.
this.
I'm gonna put my. I'm gonna
Okay,
put mine in the corner right there.
Mine's over. What? Oh, it comes out!
All right.
This is a dead corner!
Everybody huddle for safety.
Yeah.
It's gone.
You gone?
I should have brought a flashlight.
Where'd it go?
If only I had a flashlight.
I can hear it. I can hear it.
I found somewhere. What is that?
I can hear it.
Found
Yeah.
something.
That is
Toilet
toilet
paper.
paper.
Yo,
Monster!
I found a statue.
Monster!
That's...
I found a giant roll of toilet paper, guys. We're rich. And a lab. I found a whole laboratory.
I found a bunch of exit
Signs.
I think the monster's coming here. Bronze, where'd you?
Right now I'm in. Right now I'm back at the starting point.
Did you
Yeah, I'm back at the starting. I didn't die. I'm back at the starting point though. I got teleported.
teleport?
The teleporter for a shortcut.
saving time. Nexus, is there anything?
Be careful. The monster is currently heading towards the entrance of the lit up cave. Right, well, this is our last cell of the game.
I think I had a couple of things.
Alright.
What statue?
Put that back in.
I can't grab it. No, don't put that in. Don't put that in. It's a collectible.
Alright.
I think.
Let's see how much we got.
Oh my god.
Hoochie mama!
Alright.
Alright, let's see how much we got for that. That's a pretty penny. Alright folks, well that's really it for today's gameplay. I'm probably going to continue playing this with Biz after the video. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Biz, you want to say anything?
You suck. Sorry. Bye.